At the Nokian Heavy Tires R&D Center, product manager Matthew Crocker and the Intuitu R&D team have spent years tackling one of agriculture's most frustrating questions. What pressure should I put in my tractor tires? Since launching our Intuitu Smart Tire system in 2019, this has been the #1 request from users. And no wonder. The answer depends on your vehicle's weight, your speed, your ballast setup, your working surface, and it changes every time you switch implements. Getting tire pressure right is key to protecting your soil, saving fuel, and extending tire life. Now, with a breakthrough in sensor technology, we've made it simple. The tires themselves measure the load they are carrying, live, on the field, or on the road. With just one tap, the new Intuitu Smart Pressure Assistant gives you a precise pressure recommendation for both field and transport use. You can even set alarms to warn you if pressure drops too low or if you exceed the safe speed for your current setup. All this without weighing your tractor manually or digging through lookup tables. This isn't just a feature we added overnight. It's the result of years of development, testing, and, most importantly, listening to the people who use these machines every single day. And this is just the beginning. With Intuitu, your tires don't just carry the load. They carry knowledge.